just gonna detain you.
For what?
Stacey?
For what? I'm leaving, man.
I'm the only one here right now.
I'm leaving. You're gonna bow down to me, I say. You're gonna bow down to me, I say. You're gonna bow down to me, I say. Go on ahead and lock me up.
In a bizarre déjà vu on September 24th, 2023, a woman with a history of arrests and charges longer than a Black Friday wish list finds herself in another clash with the law. At approximately 6:50 p.m., the woman is confronted by an officer who wants to detain her. Though she pleads her innocence and that she did nothing illegal, he handcuffs her against her will. She continues arguing she has rights, threatening to report him for misconduct.
Hold me, man.
Huh?
Oh, he hit me. He beat my ass. Look, don't take me to jail. What
You want rescue?
in jail for?
You want rescue?
What were you taking me in jail for?
You want rescue to check you out?
No, I just want to go. And be clear, they owe me, man. Y'all know what y'all owe me. Y'all know what I do for y'all, man.
Huh?
Y'all know what I do for y'all.
I'm just gonna detain you really quick.
God damn it.
I'm just gonna detain you
Y'all
really
know
quick.
how hard I work, man.
What?
And I don't get paid.
I'm just gonna detain you really quick. Come here. Stand up.
What do you mean? Why are you detaining
I'm
me?
just gonna detain you.
For what?
Stacey?
For what? I'm leaving, man.
I'm the only one here right now.
I'm leaving.
Stacey.
I'm leaving. What are you detaining me for, man? Go get Mrs. T. Jerry.
Stacey.
Go get it.
Don't
What are
play
you
this
getting
game.
my cuffs on me, man?
Stacey, don't
I got
play
my
this
ass beat by a man.
Stacey, don't play this game.
What are you doing
I'm telling you, don't
now?
play this. All right, okay.
Why would you?
All right, hold
Sir,
on.
you gotta talk
All right,
about
hold on. No, hold on.
I'm begging you, so I can understand.
No, hold on. No,
Please,
hold on.
I'm begging you.
Stacey, stop talking.
I didn't do shit wrong, man. I got my goddamn ass beat by a man. So why would you cross on me?
Just stop talking.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Be kind. Stop.
No, it's respect.
Just stop.
I ain't doing shit wrong, man. Why you want me to go?
Hey, 40 in there. How far are you?
You better get out of here. Because I know you work for them. You don't work
I'm
for
not going
SPVD.
there.
You work for their goddamn paycheck, man. I work for SPVD. I'm a roasting and trafficking kids and gang coordination. What the heck going on?
All right, so we're gonna try this again, all right? I'm gonna detain you in cuffs. Okay, listen.
I listen to y'all.
Oh, now you wanna listen, right? Because I'm not gonna fight you. All right, get up.
Y'all put in.
Get up.
What else you do about it? There's not a goddamn thing.
I'm just detaining you. That's what I said. I'm saying I'm gonna detain you right now. What do they even want to detain you? Yeah, sure. That's her stuff. I'm gonna go talk to them after too. Stay right here. Stay right here.
Beat my ass.
Stay right here.
That man that
Face that
worked
way.
there.
Face that way, please. You got anything on you?
No.
No?
You really gotta beat my goddamn ass. Why am I in
You face that way?
Why am I in cuffs?
Face that way.
For
Stop.
what?
Stop,
You
Stacey.
getting tell me for what? Why am I detained?
Stacey, stop.
Why
You face that way?
Guys, why am I detained?
Face that way?
Hello? So why am I detained?
Do you have anything?
You
have anything in your bra? Anything in your bra?
Why am I detained?
Anything in your bra?
Please tell me.
Anything in your bra?
I'm trying to get stuff. Shut up, please. That man is beating my ass, man.
Let me talk to you and I'll explain to you what's going on, okay?
God damn, I'm tired.
All right.
I'm just a good person. I know you're a good person. It's so hard for you. Just calm down.
Oh, let's go right. We're gonna sit in the car. We're gonna sit in the car. We're gonna sit in the car, Stacey. Stacey, we're gonna sit in the car.
So how I came without taking to jail?
Because you're
Well, I'm
detained right
not
now.
taking you to jail right now.
Yes, sir.
So you're just being detained. Go last me.
I say that.
Yeah, I've seen you before. I've dealt with you before.
I don't know what's going on. My eyes are
Just sit.
trouble.
Sit. Turn in. Turn in. Turn in. Turn in.
All right, any recording.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Sir, I appreciate y'all.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to us now?
No, I
No?
wouldn't
All right.
I appreciate y'all.
All right, turn your leg in. Move your leg. Move your leg.
I just got out yesterday morning over this bull, and I was riding on the ground. You better understand my spirit, like, this is bullshit.
We're not doing that. disorderly conduct,
At
Stacy.
all. At all. It's called anal snatching. It's called anal snatching.
What's up? Dixon? Yeah.
Jail again, but I wasn't disorderly, so how are you going to write your report? I was smiling, I was peaceful. So how are you going to
Just be peaceful.
When I never said a cuss word, I even got permission from stars to go take a pee in an alley. So how are y'all going to type out a report about my legs and my feet? Because I was doing nothing wrong. So how are y'all going to lie on me?
Here, pull your hands back.
For my $2 and my
Pull your hands back,
stuff?
Stacey.
Over two funky ass motherfucking dollars?
Stop resisting.
Two funky ass
Stop
dollars.
resisting.
Over my brokenness and my motherfucking pain, where y'all will take me to jail over two funky ass dollars so y'all can be free. And I'm the sheriff. I'm not on fucking bail. So what the fuck is my disorderly conduct? Because I wasn't even cussing, so y'all can't put y'all's grubby ass black motherfucking paw hands on me.
Stacy, stop it.
No, because I did nothing wrong. So can I get Sarge? Lady! Instead of being with my man, Mr. Gilmore. Hi guys, it's nice to see you. I'm the police department. I have no money. They won't let me into Safe Harbor. They took my last AT because Gilmore's in there. He's SPPD. He's St. Petersburg Police Department like me. Reverse human trafficking. They're Largo though. No, they told me I need my own coffee and my own cigarettes. I need my own cigarettes and my own coffee. That takes money. That's he told me money. This is SPPD. I have to buy my own cigarettes and my own money. I logged out and told me I cannot be there without my own cigarettes and my own money. But I don't have no money. I can go to SPP. See, they try to take me to jail every time. This is what they're doing with no money. They did it to me earlier. I just got out for $18.72. Now I'm going broke. Can you get my Bible? SPPD. I need help. They won't let me in. Get my property, my Bible.
I'll get that for you in a second, all right?
Thank you. I needed my money. They won't let me in. He was willing to give me money. St. Petersburg Police Department. What are you doing? What are y'all doing? Y'all's own federal RICO like it's my Mother's Day. I'm Mrs. Diaz. They wouldn't let me in. They told me give me cigarettes. They won't let me in without my medication is in that bag.
Stop!
My medication is in there. The slot.
Against the car.
Get my Bible and my medication. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Nothing that would hurt you. I'm talking about my money.
We'll get that for you in a second, all right?
$1,926 and my husband, Mr. Gilmore. And my daughter, the Diaz baby, on my Mother's Day. They won't even let me into Safe Harbor. I got arrested with $18.72 in Pinellas Park. All I have is a Bible.
Stop.
And they said I can't come back without my own car.
Case. Would you stop? Thank you.
And my husband is in there. That's what I want, my husband. I don't want liquor money and fucking crack. That's y'all, lady.
Go ahead and sit in here for me.
Go take a seat.
Yes, sir. Better cut to the back of my hair.
Go and take a seat. Take a seat. Sit for me.
Can you get my Bible and my cigarettes?
Yes. We'll grab all that stuff.
They won't even let me in without cigarettes or coffee.
Sit down.
Because of the women.
Watch yourself.
Getting home to their men.
Watch yourself.
I'm jealous and brokenhearted.
Come on.
Sir, what are we doing?
Come on. We're moving you in a comfier van.
Do I have to go to jail?
Yep.
Again?
Yep. All right, you want to grab your
Serious?
stuff for me?
They're not going to let me out, sir. I have to go to jail again because y'all sluts and Mr. Gilmore? Whatever. He chose lust. I chose family. Can I at least smoke a cigarette? Hey, I can't even smoke a cigarette. Safe Harbor won't even let me in. Can we try to go to Safe Harbor, bro? Nope. Whatever. Maybe they'll ROR me again. Nope. We're going to have to stay the night. That's not fair. I really need a cigarette. Hi, y'all.
Hi, Stacey.
It's y'all's RICO Act once again.
What happened tonight?
Mr. Gilmore's still in there, and I'm going back to jail with nothing.
Okay.
And I'm going back to jail with nothing, and I need a cigarette. I'm off of alcohol. I'm off of sex. It's y'all again. Y'all wouldn't let me into Safe Harbor, Universal Ally. Y'all told me to take a motherfucking walk. I'm here. I can't get in.
Stacey, that
So can we
wasn't
go
me.
to Safe Harbor?
Okay.
You're there, Universal Ally. They're there.
right.
It's y'all,
Are you gonna
Universal
have a
Ally.
problem?
Yeah, no, I want to go to Safe Harbor,
Okay.
not
Well,
jail.
I'm not going to
Safe Harbor, you're
You need to
Universal
stop.
Ally. You're
need to
Mr.
stop.
Gilmore.
Nope.
Down. Put your feet down on the ground.
You're Mr. fucking Gilmore.
Are we gonna have a problem,
No, yes
Stacey?
we are. Not now. You can put my cuffs on me in front. We're gonna have a fucking problem when we get to Pinellas County Jail. Y'all's Rico has to have a lighter. Y'all gotta take my shit.
We will. Turn around.
It's your problem, Mr. Gilmore. Not mine. You chose lust a long fucking time ago. It's my Mother's
Face
Day.
the van.
My brother, it's me. You owe me $1,926,000.97 and my daughter, Mrs. Diaz. They tried to sell my daughter to Muddy fucking Waters, your slut, Mrs. Resto, and all your whores. I'm still here, and you've robbed me of my $18.27. You called me a slut. You slutted me, sir. I can't get in anywhere, and I deserve coffee and fucking cigarettes because I'm offered drugs and prostitution.
Face the van.
Can I get
No, you can't get shit. Shut your fucking mouth and face
so I
the
get the
van.
hair out of my face? Can you get the hair out of my face, sir? Hi, Mr. Gilmore.
Step up.
Hi, Universal Allies. Hi, Universal Allies, Rico. Because they told me to leave Safe Harbor. Hi,
Step into the van.
Rico, not y'all.
Step into the van.
You're a Rico, son. And you're the law. If I go to jail and not fucking Safe Harbor,
First time about an hour.
medication,
still in the
and no cigarettes, and no coffee. You're fucking Rico.
The woman calls the police department to angrily report that the jail is improperly making her spend her own meager funds on basic necessities like coffee and cigarettes instead of providing for detainee needs. She alleges they are targeting her without cause. Guess we'll never know what grand conspiracy she's a part of anyway. Despite her claims of angelic behavior, the woman, in a twist of irony, found herself charged with disorderly conduct. Woman's demand for a $200 store compensation, which spiraled into a chaotic dance with pepper spray, divine claims, and a determined resistance that even supervillains would envy.
Nobody's gonna touch us. Hurry. Nobody can touch us. Nobody's gonna touch us. Nobody can touch us.
What's going on?
Nobody can touch us.
Okay.
Nobody can touch us. Nobody can touch us. Nobody can touch us.
Okay.
Nobody can touch us.
Do you need to go to the hospital?
Nobody can touch us. No, I do not. I'm perfectly fine.
Okay.
Rewind that. I'm well.
Okay. Well, they would not like you in the store anymore, so you need to leave.
I will as soon as I get what's rightfully mine.
And what's that?
$200
For what?
for me. I'm actually worth more than that. I'm negotiating with you right now.
Okay. We're not negotiating anything.
Oh yes, we are.
No, I don't owe you anything.
Oh yes, you do.
Okay, what do I owe you?
Your whole life, if you want to ask.
Okay. Okay, so rescue's gonna come check you out.
They're gonna tell you I'm fine.
Okay, and that's fine.
They're gonna tell you that I'm well.
Okay. And then we're gonna have you leave the store. Back up from me. Back up from me. Back up. Now, back up. Back up. 91 Delta, step it up. Get back! I will pepper spray you. Back up. Now. Back
It's
up!
gonna hurt me. It's not gonna hurt me. I am God. My people run this universe. I am a goddess. My people run this universe.
Okay.
You're not gonna do nothing to me.
Okay,
You're not gonna do nothing to me.
You need to leave.
You're gonna bow down to me, I say. You're gonna bow down to me, I say. You're gonna bow down to me, I say. Go on ahead and lock me up. I'm still not gonna sit down, and I'm still not gonna be quiet. Do what you please.
You need to leave right
No,
now.
I will not.
Right.
Give me my $200.
I am now telling you to leave or you're getting arrested for trespassing after warning.
That's fine. I don't want to be here anyways.
Okay, then
I
leave.
just want what's mine.
Leave.
You better not touch me. Oh, that's fine. Oh,
Hands.
no.
Give me your hand.
You will not take my soul. You can't take my soul. My soul.
What do you guys want to do? You want to get
You don't
outside?
control me. You don't control me. You don't control me. You don't control me.
Stand up.
Give me my $200.
Stand up. Come on,
Give me my $200. Give me my $200.
You grab my glasses.
Give me my $200. 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 Give me my $200.
Yeah.
No.
They wanted to sit down.
Give me my $200.
Sit down.
No, I would not. Sit.
All right, she's going in the cage.
Oh no.
Let's go.
No, I'm not. Okay.
No, we're done.
I will say.
We're done.
I will say.
No.
I will say. I will say. No.
Reggie, I'm right here. You're about to get another felony charge. Get off of me now. Get off of me. Stand up.
Yeah. I'm not standing up. And she was taking me back in to my God.
Get off.
I'm not standing up. And she was taking me back in to my God.
You grab her feet.
What's that?
Charge you assault one of them. Get in the car.
I'm not.
Get in the car.
Open that door. Open that door. Get that door. Get that door. I'm not going.
Thank you.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
Hang on.
They're gonna give me what's mine. They can't do nothing to me. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Ow! That's 2 charges, that Leo.
I don't care.
Okay.
I'm not going no jail.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
As her delusions won over her lack of logic a long time ago, the woman was hit with several charges for her erratic and criminal behavior, including trespassing, resisting arrest, and assaulting a peace officer.